Welcome back to Cooking Gluten and Dairy Free with Dave D. Now, if you're anything like me, one of your favorite shows to watch on YouTube is Hot Ones, the show where celebrities are interviewed and have to eat wings that increase in spiciness throughout the interview. Also, if you're like me, you've wondered if you can actually make it through the wings. Well, good news. If you want to take the challenge yourself, the sauces are available on Amazon. My affiliate link is below. Anyway, they always show the celebs eating the wings, but they never show how they actually make the wings. So we're gonna uncover this mystery today. Spoiler alert, it's pretty simple. Also, I did do the challenge. It got pretty ugly, but I'll show a little preview of that after the recipe. I may also share the whole video if we can get to 3,000 subscribers. So please like and subscribe. Anyway, how to make the wings from Hot Ones. And if you want to skip the sauces, we'll show you how to make some delicious, crispy oven-baked wings. Let's get down to business. First things first, let's grab some cut chicken wings or some party wings. When the chicken is nice and clean, put them on several layers of paper towel. Then come in with additional paper towel to pat them dry and get rid of as much of that external moisture as possible. We want the chicken to be moist on the inside, not the outside. Now throw them in a large bowl for seasoning. Speaking of seasoning, we don't want to go too crazy and take away from the flavor of the sauces, but we still want them to be flavorful on their own. So let's go in with some seasoned salt, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, dried parsley, and one of my favorite all-purpose seasonings, Badia Complete Seasoning, which is linked below. Mix all those seasonings together until the wings are nice and coated. While we're making sure the wings are nice and coated, please do me a favor and hit that thumbs up. Also, be sure to hit subscribe. The exact ingredients as well as my Amazon affiliate links are located in the description box below. We have a lot of different and diverse recipes on the channel at this point, including 4 different wing recipes. So check those out as well. Now that the chicken is nice and coated, we can bring our oven up to 425 degrees. Now, grab a grated baking dish and spray it with some 100% avocado oil spray or whatever oil spray you want. Now, add your wings to the pan, making sure that they have enough space for air to get around them. I really like using a grated baking dish for this because it ensures that the wings are crispy. When you're done, they should look a little something like this. Now we're going to bake the wings in the oven for about an hour total, but we want to make sure we flip them every 20 minutes or so, like you see me doing here. Be sure to spray the wings with some cooking spray before returning them to the oven. Now that our wings are done, we can start talking about these hot sauces. So as you can see, they come in this cool box. When you open it, you see a card that describes the sauces and their spice level, some stickers, and some cards so you can make a little game out of it with your friends. Past all that, though, are the stars of the show, the 10 sauces with increasing spiciness. Now, after doing some research, this part is actually pretty simple. All they do is put the naked wing in the bowl, add about 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, and then mix it around until they're nice and evenly coated. Repeat this for the remainder of the sauces. And there you have it, folks. This is how you make the wings from Hot Ones, or delicious naked oven-baked wings. Please hit the thumbs up, please hit subscribe, please leave a positive comment, and stay tuned for a little preview of me trying to conquer the wings. We'll see you next time.
Oh, shit. Okay. Okay. So what's the strangest cooking advice you've ever received, and did you try it?
I thought they said that one was the hottest.
They lied?
That was hot too.
Why is this not opening?
Oh
Oh God. Oh God. Oh no.